Hi friends, this is Andy from Tech Store, and in this video we're going to be showing you the latest Lenovo Ideapad 310. This is the successor of the Lenovo Ideapad 300, and there have been some real amazing changes that Lenovo has done. So we will show you all the changes in this video. Now we've opened up things for you instead of unboxing. There is no user replaceable battery, that you should know. And the adapter has been changed from the Lenovo standard looking USB type pin charger. It has been changed to this type of a connector now, and the power rating for non-graphic card based model is 20 volts and 2.5 amperes, so that makes it around 40 watt adapter. This is the way the adapter looks like, and for a graphic card model it will be around 65 watt that we have. This is the way the top panel looks like. It's got this carbon black finish all over. This is the way it looks once you open it up. Very nice finishing actually. They've used smooth material for the top panel here. This is the black edition. You should know that it comes in three variants: black, red and silver. It's got sharp edges, as you can see, not very sharp, but considered sharp itself. This is the way it looks on the top panel. And the most striking feature of this particular laptop is the integration of the hinge. As you can see, it's got 0 to 180 degree hinges, and they have revamped the entire hinge design. So that's a good thing because the Lenovo was continuing with the almost 3-year-old G5070, G5080 design, which was very pathetic, and the hinges were coming off. So it's a welcome sign. I'm going to show you if it opens with one hand absolutely comfortably. It's basically designed on the E470 ThinkPad chassis, actually, to be precise, which has got a similar hinge redesign. So very sturdy base, to be precise. So this is the way it looks once opened up. As you can see, pretty much upright, and you can see the hinges being centered here instead of the left and the right hinges, which used to be the norm in the yesteryears. And it's got a glare screen for Core i3 variants and a normal HD screen for the Core i3 variants, and the Core i3 variants are going to be 6th gen processors. Now this same model with Core i5 and Core i7 is coming with a full HD anti-glare screen, so it does not reflect. Now you can see the reflection of the keyboard and the base over here, but in the Core i5 and Core i7 variant it will be full HD and anti-glare. So that's a good thing which Lenovo has done. So this is the entire keyboard and the palm rest area up close for you. As you can see, this has got this brushed metal finish all over. Very nice premium finish. For an entry-level Core i3, the touchpad is having a smooth surface area with left and right clicks separated, and it's got DDR4, as it says, high-speed AC Wi-Fi. The keyboard is a standard chiclet keyboard. It does not have backlit in this particular model. They have placed the multimedia controls over here, and they have removed the page up, page down over here, so that might be a little cumbersome for some people. So this is the keyboard layout. It's got a very standard looking chiclet Lenovo keyboard. The ergonomic is very good. You can see the finish over here, and the power button is over here. There's this heat dissipation vent area, which we're going to be showing you when it's got Dolby certification. That is another good thing. And over here, this part here is having a textured matte finish, to be precise. So this is the way it looks on the left side. Get up close. You have the charging pin connector, you have the battery indicator, VGA, Ethernet port and HDMI. So that's a very good thing that they have retained the two. You have a USB 3.0 port, you have a headphone and mic combi jack, you have a reset pinhole, a memory card reader, and it's pretty much as slim as the Ideapad 300 actually. And this textured finish is continued. There's absolutely nothing in the front. So on the right, as you can see, we have the Kensington lock, DVD writer, and two USB 2.0 ports with the power indicator over here. This is where the base looks. As you can see, there's a lot of heat dissipation vent area being given, and two maintenance hatch, one for the hard drive, another for the RAM. Another shocking thing that Lenovo has done in this laptop is they have soldered one 4GB memory DIMM on the motherboard itself. So you have only one DIMM slot which is available. So the maximum upgrade is up to 12GB. So you can add another 8GB and make it up to 12GB. The rudders are pretty nicely placed. It's a good height that the rudders have been given. Differential height. Actually, this is flatter. The speaker is over here. Dolby certified speaker system, so the speaker is very good actually. And you have this very nice premium texture finish in the base here. And coming to this particular area, which is the heat dissipation vent area, which is required to dissipate the heat. They're nicely designed actually. Now let me showcase the audio quality, which is really crisp. The audio quality is not that great or that loud actually, but it's pretty crisp, and the Dolby certification that these speakers have will be only effective if you're using the Dolby software in Windows. Right now we're using Linux for the demo part, so the audio quality is not all that great, but with Dolby in place it will be much better. And this, my friends, was the review of the Lenovo Ideapad 310. Now to sum things up, you should know that the Core i3 variants have a 6th generation processor, and the Core i5 and Core i7 variants have 7th generation processors. The Core i3 variants have a normal HD glare screen which has the maximum resolution of 1366x768 TN glare screen. Core i5 and the Core i7 variants have been loaded with full HD TN screens, and they're anti-glare. Now the graphics that comes onto all these Lenovo's IP310s in the Core i3 or the Core i5 or Core i7 is all NVIDIA with 920MX graphics chipset. The looks are really neat. They have done a real good job this time, Lenovo, by changing the entire design, and it's got this real nice brushed metal feel on the inside, the touchpad area, the palm rest area. But the only thing is, does not have a USB-C type port. Now that is something that we would be looking at on a new model. It comes in black, red, silver for Core i5, and the Core i3 variant has only got black variant. And it's got this real nice smooth carbon black finish on the top, and it's got Wi-Fi AC, and the weight is around 2.3 kgs. It does not have a user removable battery. The battery backup is around 4 to 5 hours. On our testing with Wi-Fi on and medium brightness, we could easily work on this particular laptop to 5 hours. And it's got real good smooth surface of the touchpad, separate right and left keys. The multi-gesture really works well because of the smooth touchpad area. The keyboard quality is also great. It does not have a backlit keyboard though. This is how we sum up the Lenovo IP310 review. Hope you liked the video. Do leave some suggestions and comments, and if you have any query about this model, you can just type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and you can buy this laptop on our website techstore.co.in. Thank you so much.